Hi guys, good morning. I hope everyone's having a great morning. I'm about to start a very busy day. I've had a hard time checking in because real estate gets nuts at this time of year. And it's just been nuts. I'm not sleeping these days, but not because I'm working on extra projects. It's just all real estate right now. I am still cleansing. I'm actually stepping my cleansing up today because I'm doing the Dutch test today. So in between literally like 12 appointments, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, I really don't. I gotta collect all these samples. This is gonna be fun. I also can't have any more coffee today, so that sucks. I haven't had coffee in a while now. Before we head out the door, check out these new hair products that came. So this is by Nutrafol, specifically designed for women and hair growth. I have had long blonde hair my entire life and it's kind of always been my signature, but as I get older, it is harder to grow your hair as long. So I do have extensions in my hair as well, and I want to take the extensions out eventually, so I am working to restore my hair and to grow it thicker and longer. So a couple things I'm doing for that. I'm going to Remedi today to do the hair restoration. I read rave reviews online about the treatment and apparently it just works miracles. As well as now I'm going to start working with vitamins that are specifically for growing hair. It's a large supply. I'm excited to try this. The day I went with a simple black Zara dress, little tan Chanel belt, as well as some tan Gucci boots. I'm addicted to Zara dresses. It's so simple in the morning. I just grab one, put them on with like a belt and shoes. This took me 5 minutes and then another hour and a half to wash and dry my hair. I think I'm gonna take Wonton to Remedi for the first time. Do you wanna go over to Remedi today? Just like, please don't leave me at home, Mom.
She is just the cutest.
Isn't she?
What a good girl. Hi guys, we're here with the Fotona SP Dynamis, and we're going to be doing the laser hair restoration treatment on Ashley today. And it's going to be quite comfortable. It's going to feel like little hot water droplets, and what it's doing is the energy from the laser is stimulating the hair follicles to grow thicker, longer hair. It's a great treatment in combination with PRP for those who have thinning hair. Okay, so yeah, so it's just going to feel like little hot water droplets everywhere. I really like it. It's kind of like therapeutic. It may cause a delayed exfoliation, like in sometimes 3 days up to a week later, which means you'll just have kind of like a dry scalp.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm turning on the laser here. Okay, and so I'm just going to start right off the side right here. Okay, so I'm going to do a few pulses so you can get used to it first and get to know what it feels like. Okay, and I'm just going to start. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Oh, good. Perfect. So, what we're doing is stimulating the follicles.
It actually feels really good.
Right?
Yeah.
I find it very therapeutic. I like it.
It's like hot but not painful.
It doesn't matter if you have blonde hair, gray hair, white hair, black hair.
Colorblind?
Yeah.
Man, technology is coming so far.
Oh yeah. This is my favorite. I find that the most sensitive part with this one is usually like just the hairline right here. It could be a little bit spicier than the other areas. And that's it.
Cool.
We're all finished. That's normal.
Not bad for just having an IPL. Yeah, back to work, so I just swung by the office. I just met with Oksana. Her license is moving over today. We're building a tribe of boss babes at our office. We do have men as well, of course, but we got some fierce females working at the ARM group, and I cannot wait to see what we can create all together. Guys, the right people are coming. It's funny, the universe always saves me, and the universe always knows what I need, even when I don't know what I need. Gosh, this day is gonna go till like 10 p.m. It's gonna be a good one. Just got back to the office. The munchkin is happy. What a day, guys. Today was a long day.